We just had a really big unlock on June 1st, 2025, and what are my thoughts about this and what's my predictions for SUI? And that's probably one of my biggest gripes with SUI is I think it's great technology and what they're doing is amazing, but it's highly inflationary. And the thing is, price equals supply plus demand. It does not equal your technology. It does not equal what you're trying to do. It equals supply plus demand. So if they're dumping supply on your head, it's hard to do that. But luckily, when you go on TradingView, SUI has a market cap chart, and regardless of what the XRP army would have you believe, market cap is the real price of a coin. So what are my thoughts on where we're at? This is your markdown, and we're starting to get into accumulation. We have been making lower lows and lower highs for a good while now. This was distribution for sure to me, and I called this out. Your buying climax, your up thrust, and your UTAD. I was selling and shorting SUI heavily back through November through January. I was shorting it. And then I rode this all the way down and made some pretty good money shorting SUI. But now this is your markdown, your accumulation, and this is your sign of strength. But we're in a micro downtrend. What we need to see is starting to slope back up and getting into your uptrend. But this is the sign of strength in Wyckoff, which this was the distribution right here. This is distribution. And then the next thing is you go into accumulation and you get your sign of strength, which is what it looks like that we are at right now for SUI. So that's a good thing. And the next thing would be your markup, and that's going to be price discovery. It's going to take us to $21 billion, and parabolic is $30 billion. So that is my price prediction, and that's about a 3x from here, or excuse me, a 1.8x from here, which is pretty good. But that is the expectation that I have for SUI over the next year. But the important thing is, what do you guys think? What's your prediction for SUI? Let me know in the comments down below. Am I crazy? Am I way too conservative, or am I way too bullish? Let me know. Peace.